Good morning, students. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss one of the GATE question which came in the year 2017. Let me read out the question. Identify the language generated by the grammar. Okay, they have given 4 languages and they are asking which language can be generated by this grammar. To solve this question, I hope I have discussed, but anyway I will remember this point again. Okay, what are the strings which are generated from this grammar? What are the strings which are generated? They should be there in this language. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? And what are the strings which belongs to this language L? They should be able to generate. Am I right? Both are correct. So if you take any string which is cannot be able to generate, then I will say that it is not a correct language. Or if you generate any string which is not belongs to this language, then also I can say that this is not a correct language for a given grammar. So I can simply say that what are the strings you are able to generate from this grammar, all the strings should belongs to this language, whatever it is. Then only I can say that it is a correct language identified from the or generated from this grammar. Now we will see. Okay, for space I am removing this generator, don't worry. I hope you have noted down the question. Now we will see this option A, whether option A is correct or not, we will see. Let me read the option A power m, b power n, m is greater than or equal to n and n is greater than 0. N is greater than 0 means I will take the n value is 1. Okay, n value is equal to 1, then m is greater than or equal to 1. So I can take the case as m is equal to n, then I can take that m also is equal to 1. Now a power m, b power n. So a power 1, b power 1, the string is ab. Now we will see the smallest string possible over this language is ab. Now whether ab can be able to generate from this grammar or not, we will see. The start symbol is yes, I will take yes. XY I will take. Okay. Now X I will keep A. From X I can generate AX or A. But I want to generate only AB, so I will take A. Okay. Now from Y I can take AYB because I want to get B. Is it clear? If I directly keep epsilon, I cannot generate B. So that's why Y, AYB I have kept. Okay, Y can determine AYB. From Y, I can determine epsilon. So the string is AAB. How I got the string is that from the root node, I came to the X. I will go to the left subtree. I got a non-terminal. Then I will go to this one. I got a terminal. So A I will write. Then I will go. I will identify whether any terminal is there. Whenever you got a terminal, you will write it here. Now again you go to the right subtree and check whether you have found a terminals or not. You found a epsilon. Okay, write the epsilon. And you got the B again. Then you write. So A epsilon B is nothing but I can write AAB. So the string I have to generate is AB. However, I have generated AAB. If you check it, you cannot able to generate a string called AB from this grammar. So what I can say, a string which belongs to this language cannot able to generate from this grammar. So I can say that this is not the correct option. Please remember this one. As I said earlier, all the strings which are belongs to this language should be able to generate from this grammar. However, the string AB could not able to generate from this grammar. So I can say that this is not the correct language generated from this grammar. So option A is not a correct option. We'll go to the option B. What is the option B? A power m, b power n, m is greater than or equal to n. Yeah, it is okay up to here. N is greater than or equal to 0. N is greater than or equal to 0 means I can take the smallest value n is equal to 0. And m is equal to n case is possible. Now n is equal to n case means a power m, b power n. So m value also will be 0. So a power 0, b power 0 epsilon. So epsilon is the smallest string possible over this language. Now we will check whether epsilon can be generated from this grammar or not. S is the start symbol, xy I will keep, from x I will keep a, from y I will keep epsilon. Am I right or wrong? From x I can keep ax or a. So for simplicity I written a. From y I can take ayb or epsilon. I have taken epsilon. So what is the string I got? A concatenated with the epsilon. So I got a. So in the process of generating epsilon, I generated a, and I could not able to generate epsilon from this one. So still I can say that this option B is also not correct answer. Why? Because the string which is epsilon cannot be able to generate from this grammar, and that epsilon belongs to language B. So I can say that this is also not a correct language. Okay. Now we will see the option C, whether it is a correct language or not. A power m, b power n, m is greater than n and n is greater than or equal to 0. Let me take n value is equal to 0. Okay, if I take n value is equal to 0, m greater than 1. What is the smallest m value I can take such a way that m is greater than 1? M is greater than n, m value should be 1. So a power m, b power n. Okay, a power 1, b power 0. So a. So what I can say that epsilon is not part of this language, because minimum you will get a. So whether it is possible or not, we will see. Just now we derived a. Anyway, I will discuss again. So a I can able to generate from this grammar which is part of this language, and epsilon is not part of this language, and again anyway I cannot able to generate epsilon from this grammar. Okay, somewhat I can say it is correct, but anyway we will verify with few more examples. N value I will take it as 1 because it is greater than or equal to 0. I will take n value is equal to 1, and m value I will take is 2 because m is greater than n. So m value I will take 2. So I will get a power 2b AAB string is belongs to this language C. So I will check whether it can be able to generate from this grammar or not. S determines xy, x can determine a, y can determine a, y, b, y can determine epsilon. So I can able to generate a epsilon b, which is nothing but AAB. So AAB is a string belongs to this language, can be able to generate. So somewhat I can say that option C is looking correct, but it is a GATE exam. We should not take a chance. How can we solve it? I will check whether option D is right or not. Okay, if option D is wrong, then obviously option C is right, because for some strings which belongs to this language C can able to generate, and what are the strings which are not able to generate from this grammar are not there in the string. So it is looking correct. Now we will see the option D. Option D is saying what? N is greater than 0. Now let me take n value is equal to 1. M is greater than n. So m value is equal to 2. Okay. Now a power 2, b power 1. So AAB can be able to generate. Just now we have seen AAB is generate. So you people may think that option D is also correct, but see this point again clearly. N value is greater than 0. Now we will see any string which is generated from this one. I will take a string xy a epsilon a. A is a string which can be able to generate from this grammar. Whether this A belongs to this language or not, we will see. If it is belongs, then it is correct, otherwise it is not correct. But what it is saying, n value should be greater than 0. The number of b's should not be 0. That is what they are saying. N value is greater than 0. Meaning is that the number of b's should be at least 1. But however, I got a. So A is not a string which belongs to this language. When I can say that this grammar means this language is correct for this grammar, what are the strings which I am able to generate from this grammar? All the strings should be belongs to this language D. Okay. However, A is a string which is able to generate from this grammar. However, it is not part of this long ways. So I can say that option D is also wrong option, and option C was looking correct previously. Now I can say that any one option they have said, they did not given any option called none of the above. So option C is the right answer, and the strings which belongs to this generated from this grammar or belongs to this long way C. And what are the strings which does not belongs to this long ways or could not able to generate from this grammar? So I can say that option C is the right answer. Option A, B, D are the wrong answers. If you have any doubts for this question, feel free to ask it in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my videos.